This is the fonts assignment. Step 1, you need to log into Google Drive, open up your computer apps folder and docs folder. Anytime you're working with a Google Doc, you need to open up your docs folder. So I've already logged into my Google Drive. Here's my computer apps folder. I'll open it up. Then I'll open up my docs folder. I'm going to put my file in my docs folder. How do you know it's open up? Your docs folder, it's the furthest one to the right. You're working in your docs folder. Step 2, we're going to create a new document. Name, we're going to call it fonts. All margins should be 0.5. Click on New, create your new document, Google Docs. Top left-hand corner, click on Untitled Document and name your document fonts. And come in here inside the body, click here, and we're going to change the margins. Click on File, top left-hand corner, click on Page Setup. Everything should be 0.5. And click OK. Okay, step number 3. We're going to copy the title and all paragraphs, and then we're going to paste using Control V into your document. So click on this link right here. So click right here, click, hold, and drag with your left button. Okay. Since I highlight everything I wanted on the keyboard, I go Control C for copy. Now I don't need this anymore. So I click right here, come up here to my tab, get rid of it, click on the X on the tab, go back to the document. I need to paste it, and it's Control V to paste. And there you go. Step number 4, I'm only going to be working with the title, and that's it. The font size is going to be 18, the alignment is going to be center. I highlight my title. The font size is going to be 18. I'm going to center it. Here's left align, center align. Then the font color should be red, and the font should be Comic Sans. So I click on the A for text color. Now when you change the text, only the letters, the color of the letters will change. Red, come over here to the fonts, should be Comic Sans. Okay. Step number 5, list items. A list item is an item in a bullet list or a numbered list. List items, all list items, the font should be Times New Roman in size 12. Okay, this is a numbered list. This is not a numbered list, this is a paragraph. So, all list items, Times New Roman and 12. This is a numbered list. And each one of these are called items. Item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4. So I come back here, highlight all my list items, not my paragraphs. So I stop right here. One more time. Times New Roman and 12. Click right here. Times New Roman. And the font size is 12. Okay, step number 6, list items. It says make sure the item number is not highlighted, bolded, italic, underlined, or colored. Okay? It says item number 2, we need to bold. Come up here. Now if you do this, if you start right here and highlight the whole thing, we need to bold it. Now if you notice, the 2 is bolded. We do not want that. So you come back up here. If you look up here in the top left-hand corner, you have a left arrow and a right arrow. If you click on the left arrow, you undo what you just did. Okay? Now, to bold this without bolding the 2, instead of starting right here at the front, if you go about halfway in the middle of the first word, highlight it, bold, and then come back and pick up the first word again in bold, it highlights the item number, or the item, but not the item number. Item number 3, italic. Same thing. If you highlight everything, click here. All right. Oh, we're supposed to italic it, not underline. So I want to undo italic. Now if you notice here, it italiced. We don't want to do that. So we undo it. Start right here. Italic. Come back and get the first word again. Italic. C. Item number 4, underline. So this time I'm going to start right here. Underline. Come back and pick up the first word. Underline. Notice it underlines the item, but not the item number. Item number 5, font color red. Notice if I highlight the whole thing, if I click on font color red, it does the item number. I don't want that. So make sure you start somewhere in the middle of the first word. Go to your letter, click on red, come back. Now remember, when you change the color of the font, you change the letter color. Item E. Item number 6, highlight yellow. So item number 6, we're going to highlight yellow. So I'm going to start right here. Now when you highlight, you click on the little highlighter. And when you highlight, the color of the letters stay the same, but the background changes. F, item number 10, I'm going to highlight green. So find item number 10, highlight green. So the background should change to green. And item number 12, G, item number 12, bold and red. We got two things here, bold and red. I'm going to bold it. Click on the color red. Come back and do the first here, bold and red. The paragraphs. I'm supposed to delete the last 2 paragraphs, not any items in the list. Okay. Here's my first paragraph. Here's my second paragraph. I'm supposed to delete the last 2 paragraphs. I highlight it, and it's Control X. Okay. Step number 8, header. I'm going to be working in the header. I'm going to put my name, last comma first. So the header is up here. Go to Insert, Headers and Footers, and I click on Header. Type in my name, last name, comma first. The font size should be 12, so I highlight it, just like in the body. Font color should be blue, bold, and right align. So it's going to be bold, blue, and right aligned. Left align, center, right align. Now to get out of your header, all you have to do is come down here and click on the body somewhere, and you're out of the header. Step number 9, you have to create your shared link. Make sure it's on anyone with an internet. So you go in the top right hand corner, click on share. Okay, make sure anyone on the internet with this link can view. If it's not on there, you click on change. You click right here and it gives you 3 options. Make sure you click this one, anyone with a link. And then come over here and make sure it's on viewer. It means they can only see it. They can't edit it. Click on copy, link, and you're done. And then click on this link here, step number 10, assignment form. Fill it out, paste your link in.